everyone, and welcome to a new series. I hope you have found the alphabet series useful. And if you haven't watched it yet, I recommend that you watch it and study the sounds of the letters first, before learning how to write them. Today's letter is Alif. Alif. Do you remember its shape? It's a simple vertical line, and it's written from the top downward. Come on, grab a pen and a paper and try to write it. Draw a vertical line from the top downward in a single stroke. From the top and downward. Do you remember the sound of Alif? Alif is a long vowel. It takes time of 2 counts. The sound is ah, ah. Let's draw it again and pronounce its sound as you write it. Ah, ah. Repeat it over and over as many times as you can, pronouncing the sound as you write it. Ah, ah. When a word starts with Alif, you will find Alif standing alone in this isolated form. The shape of Alif in initial position is simply this vertical line. However, in a medial or final position, its shape changes a bit. It comes attached to a connecting segment, extended from the previous letter. Here is the extended segment coming from the previous letter, and from here we go upward. From the extended segment and upward. Practice writing this one too. It is the form of Alif in a medial and final position. Please check the following examples. Here, Alif came in initial position, so it stands totally alone, taking the isolated form. And when it comes in a medial position, like this, it joins the preceding letter that ended in a connecting segment. So, in a medial position, Alif takes this form. In a final position, it takes the same shape as in the medial position, starting from the connecting segment. Sometimes, however, Alif comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. In this case, Alif stands alone, taking the isolated form. So, all in all, Alif takes 2 forms. The simple vertical line is drawn downward when it comes in initial position, or in a final position after a non-connecting letter. And the vertical line that is drawn upward from a connecting segment coming from the previous letter when it comes in a medial or final position. Please practice writing the 2 forms. You will find the practice sheet on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of Alif as you draw it.